Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a property in the hotels.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And if you want to, you can search using the search box at the top of the page. But if you scroll down at the home page and click on the ultimate destinations for 2023, then the application will help you find specific locations for each month. So for example, if you want to travel in June, just click on the where to go in June button, and then the app will select some of the most popular destinations at that time. So for example, if you're interested in visiting Bali, then just click on the see nearby properties there, and at the top of the page on the left you can set the time scale when you want to travel, and at the top of the page on the right you can also set the guests. So just set that, and the application will offer you places according to your preferences. So just scroll through them and find the perfect option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.